Hey guys, so in this video I'll be comparing the specs of the Oukitel WP27 with the Ulefone Armor 22. So these two rugged phones are the latest from their respective brands, and they also are among the few rugged devices released this year with great specs. So this comparison video is not to point out which one is better than the other, but to just differentiate between the two devices. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there we go guys. In my opinion, both devices are equipped with impressive specifications. Which of the two do you think has the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.